First off, just thank you, seriously, to all 60,000 of you and growing. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all for hitting that red subscribe button. Because of you guys, you're allowing me to do what I love, my passion, and I'm so grateful for that, and I do not take it for granted one bit. So without further ado, here's to the next 60,000. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stickers are out, by the way, for pre-order, so check out the link in the description. Shipping is international, PayPal, all major credit cards accepted. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. A lot more celebration to come. Here's just the start of it. Hope you guys enjoy. One thing I do want to ask of you guys though is if you could please hit that thumbs up button and please share this with your friends on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, wherever. Really would help me out a lot, and just really would mean the world to me. So thanks, appreciate it.
Oh yeah!
Well, they're good for one more round.
Yeah, sure.
So oh my god! Oh, what the hell? What the? He's so far down! Oh. He's so gone! Oh! Woo! Hell yeah! Wow! All I gotta do. What the shit, dude? I love our neighbors. What did you say? I'm sure our neighbors love us. Oh.
God, that thing screams. It sounds so good. Just being inside that thing just gives me chills. Just hearing that thing hit limiter. Every time I watch the video back, still gives me chills. Still a bit of meat left on the tires. I want to kind of wait till it's really dry out. That way we can get a really nice burnout for you guys. It's been super wet here. Rained all day today. It's gonna rain all day tomorrow, all day Sunday. So as I mentioned before, guys, if you could please hit that share button, it would mean the world to me. It really helps get my content out there to new people. And seriously, that would be awesome. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Just a quick little celebration. Burnout, the guy in the diesel truck's an absolute legend. Like, what a champ. He's a good guy. Thank you guys for watching again, though. I'll see you in the next one. You guys have a good night. Later.